How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. So today we're gonna do something different from our typical home workout or our typical cooking video, because today we're gonna do some martial arts. It's gonna be a mixture of MMA and also Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, because I feel those are the best, because MMA is a mixture of all martial arts and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is really good for your mobility. So these are very basic drills that you can do at home to keep up your training and also work on some mobility, because I believe martial arts are really good for your mobility. First, you're gonna need a partner. And if you don't have a partner at home because we're still in quarantine, so we can still do this. 影分身の術。本当ですか？これ僕の影分身です。かっこいいですか? And if your shadow clone doesn't last that long, well, here are some solo drills you can do at home. So this exercise is your typical push-up with the sit-through. So this will work on your upper body strength as you do the push-up, and then as you do a sit-through, you're twisting your entire torso and your leg. That way you can build some more range of motion in your legs, create that mobility, and get more flexible, because any martial arts will need flexibility and also mobility. Now here is your glute bridge, your floor bridge, or your hip thrust, whatever you want to call it. It's like your typical hip thrust. You want to thrust up your hips, activate your hamstrings, your glutes, but you're also reaching over the shoulder because you want some shoulder mobility as well. This is much needed for your arm bars, and also whenever they're pinning you down, you want to thrust up to save yourself. Here is your typical shrimps. So you want to be on one shoulder and use the opposite foot to push yourself back, push back those hips, because you want to create distance. Use that opposite leg to help get some more pressure to push your hips back. This will create some mobility and also flexibility in the hips. So whenever you're sparring with someone, you can push away with their leg and your leg, create some distance so that you can't get the check on you. They can't pin you down. So this exercise is the sprawls. It's like a burpee. You're jumping your legs back, but you're not going into a push-up or hopping up. You're landing on your hips. The point of this is to stop your opponent from getting the wrestler takedown. Because when they go for a takedown, you're gonna reach for your legs. So you wanna jump your legs back as far as possible and as quick as possible. You see how I'm moving around? That is because I'm trying to imagine someone in front of me. I'm imagining sparring with someone, because you don't want to be stationary in a fight. You're not just gonna be stuck in one spot. Now this exercise is a break fall and a technical stand up. As you fall down, you want to hit your hands on the floor to soften your landing, and then use your legs, your hips, kick the opponent away, create some distance so you can get back up. Because you don't want your opponent to be super close to you. You don't want them to keep getting close. So you use your leg to kick them away and get back up. Create that distance. This will create more flexibility for your hips and also practice your kicks. Now we have some shadow boxing. That is really good for cardio, and also you can create any combo, practice any combo you like, your jabs, your kicks, and your footwork as well. You want to be quick, because in a fight you don't want to slow down, and also you want to move around, because in a fight you're also not going to be stationary. Your opponent's not just going to stand there. You want to move around, you want to protect yourself, you want to dodge stuff. So be quick, practice your kicks, your jabs, any combos, work on that cardiovascular and that mobility. So hopefully you enjoyed these exercises, because you can do these at home and practice your martial arts. Keep it up. Make sure you like and subscribe, because there's many things like this coming soon. And I'll see you in the next video.